Hi everyone, my name is Asa and I'm here with Miss Shauntae and we're here to do another DIY at SPL, and today we're going to be making cloud lamps. So Miss Shauntae, please take it away.
All right, so this is actually a good craft for our tweens and teens out there, or anyone who actually have time on their hand and want to do some room decorating. So we're gonna get started. First, you're gonna need is a clear bottle of some sorts. It doesn't necessarily have to be this big. You can choose the size of the bottle that you would like. You're gonna need some cotton. This is the important part. This is how you get your cloud look. You also can use like a cotton filling. You're going to need some lights, preferably some string lights, but you also can use Christmas lights, anything that that pretty much comes on a string. And then you're going to need some glue. You can use a glue gun or you can use liquid glue. It'll just take a little bit longer to dry. So we're going to go ahead and start. First, what you're going to do is you are going to need your glue gun. So we're going to go get the glue gun. And what you're going to do is you're going to just glue around your bottle. Please be careful with the glue gun because it will be hot and we don't want you to burn yourself. And as you are gluing, you're just going to place the cotton on your bottle just like that. You're going to need to apply a lot because if the glue does dry, it's going to fall off, so just don't be afraid to put more glue up there. Alright, and you're just going to keep gluing until you have cotton all the way around your bottle. All right, and of course, the bigger the bottle, the longer it'll take for you to put cotton on it. So just be mindful. Okay, see, Mr. Asa's is done already. He has a smaller bottle. So if you don't have a big jug, you can use a water bottle. It works all the same. All right, now that we have our cloud, we're going to move on to our next step, which is very simple. What we're going to do is we are going to insert your lights into the bottle. So you want to make sure that you do not have the lid onto your bottle. And you're just going to take the end of your lights and just put them right inside your bottle. These are actually multicolored ones. My cotton is falling. Right, and then I'm just gonna go back through and touch up what fell off. All right, so guys, once you have that, we're going to test it to make sure that it works good. So you're going to turn it on. Can you guys see it? All right, so there you go. When you're in your dark room, this is going to light up like a light. I would suggest using your favorite color of a single light. If you want to do just regular white or regular solid blue, it'll be better to give it that effect. There are also the kinds that changes colors on its own. But once you have it in the dark, it will illuminate the room, and you can add a string to it, tie it to your ceiling. If you want to know what to do with the battery pack, you could also glue it to the light, so that way you can turn it on and you can turn it off. All right, guys, so what I need for you guys to do is show me your cloud lights that you make at home and post it to social media and tag Suffolk Public Library. Or you can do hashtag SPL, anything so that we can see that you guys tried this and enjoyed it. And we just want to see yours. Hopefully it looks better than Miss Shauntae's and Mr. Asa. All right, guys.
And also for all of our links to our online collection of books, if you want to find out how to make crafts similar to this or other simple DIY crafts, please visit our website at www.suffolkpubliclibrary.com. So until then, we'll see you next time.
Bye.